Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today another episode, and it is an unboxing of an iPhone 16 Pro. Couple of words about my iPhone 11 Pro. Let's dive in. So this year in a box, aside of an iPhone, you'll find some paperwork, no Apple stickers, nicely braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and for Europe, SIM ejection tool. Now, let's talk about iPhone 11 Pro, because that's actually an interesting story. So after 5 years, I finally pulled the trigger and changed the iPhone 11 Pro. It's been with me for ages. All the changes between iPhone 11 Pro and 16 Pro, in my opinion, there were, well, for 13, 14 and 15, mainly 14 and 15, they were quite significant. But still, it's a good phone, and I didn't feel the pressure or the need to change it. However, recently I do more and more on my phone for work, create video, take photos, edit those videos on my phone, and I thought it's time to pull the trigger and buy an iPhone 16 Pro. And I'm probably gonna have that phone for another 4 or 5 years, because they're so good, there's no point of changing them every single year. As we're coming to the end of the episode, I do hope that the short unboxing, the story behind why I'm changing the phone, were helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section what phone you're using, no matter if it's an iPhone, an Android phone. If it's an iPhone, let me know in the comment section what model you're currently using and if you're planning to change it in the future. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That always helps the algorithm. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Once you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers!